Queen Naomi pregnant for Oni of Ife, allegedly. My people, oh, I know say some people go dey wonder say, Maureen, you don't come. Yes, my name was mentioned somewhere. That is why I came out to really touch light this alleged pregnancy when they don't dey carry this rumor where they don't dey carry, because somebody they ask for where they touch light this matter of Queen Naomi pregnancy. Somebody they ask, where is Maureen? And look at what the reply where some people talk about me. That is why, since una don't mention my name for this Queen Naomi alleged pregnancy for Ooni of Ife, now say make I come touch light the matter and how it take happen, my people. Those of una wey be say una dey ask of Maureen, when una say Maureen don't cross carpet to Ifa wives, abeg, who be Ifa wives? Who be Ifa wives now dey ask una? Who be Ifa wives? If una look this picture now when it dey circulate, when they talk say Queen Naomi is pregnant, abeg make una look this picture very well. This na old video, old picture. Now some certain hungry bloggers go carry come out, start to the circulator. Though my friend Bosse really say na allegedly, she did not feel, she not beat her chest, come tell una say Queen Naomi pregnant. Una know say we the bloggers, when we see something like this, we go want to touch light am. Me, it don't tell me say I say all these they are lie gist wey they gist about Queen Naomi. I no be part of it. But now because my name was mentioned, and when my name was mentioned, say where is Maureen? Another person can say Maureen don't cross carpet to Ifa wife. Now another person can say it be like saying Maureen now be the person when be say e dey leak secret they give, which people say I not even understand. If there's any queen where besides so much support, as in when I carry her matter, they hawk like gala. Now this Queen Naomi, the queen of the people. Because now she says she be the queen of the people. And sometimes words are very, very powerful. Since when you say Queen Naomi say be the queen of the people, people no gree leave her alone. Even when they are damaging her name, she cannot come out and debunk things. Things are getting worse and worse. Somebody was saying that because of say she born for Ooni of Ife, therefore she cannot move on. Not be only Queen Naomi born for Ooni of Ife. Not be only Queen Naomi born for Ooni of Ife. Ooni of Ife gets senior daughter whether they call Adiola. He get another daughter whether they call Bukomi. That Bukomi, they no marry the mama. They no marry the mama. And the mama no come just they do. They say so. For Yoruba no, they are not like the Igbos where they go say they value one particular pikin, one sex of pikin past the other one. No. For Yoruba land, they share property, give both male and female. Unlike in the Igbo land where they say if woman never born boy, they go say you never enter house. Because if you be woman for Igbo land, you no born boy. Your husband brothers then, everything when you be say your husband gets belongs to them. If anything eventually happen to the man. But it no be like that for Yoruba land. Yoruba land they share gave male and female. They say so. Now that is one beauty about them. So you no get one pikin when it be say sometime when then they get regent king, where they even install female temporary. Some female they go install them as king temporary for more than 5, 6, 7, 10 years. That they dey for throne. They see the affairs of the people. So I don't understand. Because why if I come and come talk, when I don't want to hear the truth, when I want people where we say they go life on they life on they life on they life on. I don't tell una say make una leave Queen Naomi alone. Except Queen Naomi want to although she woman talk and say that she be the only person when eating cake, can't have it again. Because me, I don't know wetin be the meaning of that kind statement that is full of pride. They say so. Now, this picture one I see so na old picture of Queen Naomi pregnancy with Tadenikawo. Now be this one. Queen Naomi don't get any belly. She don't get any belly, and I dey dear all of una. When I get a reliable source say Queen Naomi, they no go allow Queen Naomi enter the palace, say because of say he disgrace the king. They say they no go allow Queen Naomi enter the palace, say because he disgrace the king. When I think say na lie. Even when Ooni of Ife went to Akure, they sent for her to bring Tadenikawo, because Ooni of Ife can easily send say okay, bring my son to palace. Queen Naomi go, because of say Queen Naomi cannot enter there. According to report, to say they do one traditional something, they can sweep Queen Naomi leg because of the disgrace. When he say he disgraced the king, so she cannot enter the palace. So because of that one, since when Queen Naomi left that palace, she never near there. Ofuna mo could DM me, mo could do video where una see Queen Naomi for Ooni of Ife palace. Mo could go do video, show me the place. Or make Queen Naomi enter that palace, enter, do video. When he do video, then I go not say yes. The people where be say they sabi tradition, where they talk this thing, now be saying that they lie. But so long as since when be say Queen Naomi left that palace, his leg never touched that palace, because according to report, she cannot step her leg in that palace. Allegedly, that was what they said. And why I'm saying this thing allegedly, because that was what they said. And apart from that, I don't even care. If I like, I'm gonna watch this video. I'm gonna not watch that one concern. Apart from that, they said she cannot enter. Now, me I call the wonder. If they said Queen Naomi cannot enter the palace, what of when Tadenikawo go down big? So that means only Tadenikawo na go get right to enter the palace. Imaba no go fit. Okay, if Tadenikawo na the first son of Ooni of Ife, and Tadenikawo can't decide to go back to the palace, they can't give him a rightful place as the first son of Ooni of Ife. He can't stay. So Queen Naomi no get right to go stay in son inside the palace. Now those things time me I seen they ask so. Because me, as I dey here, so I seen the reasons of kind thing in the other way, because whether we like it or not, despite say me, I not just like the way we say this whole thing they go. I go see the reason in the other way. Now, according to the tradition, they talk say Queen Naomi no go fit enter the palace because they don't sweep her leg. No be so. They don't sweep her leg come up for the palace because of wetin she do. Say wetin she do na abomination. Say he go disgrace the king. Talks all sort of thing. Say na let down. Say even though Sef Ooni of Ife want to see Queen Naomi, he go see her secretly. It's not something of public, because Queen Naomi they serve they do commit sacrilege according to them. Now, if Queen Naomi commits sacrilege, does it mean that she will not be pardoned? One, for the fact say na she be the first son of Ooni of Ife, and according to reports, Tadenikawo has right in his father's compound, because one, then Tadenikawo no be pikin when they born outside wedlock. They born inside the marriage. It's just that na mama na people wey be say they surround the mama, where they no advise the mama well. Even though Sef say you want to leave Kabiyesi, why you no quietly leave? Why you go there announce the now wow God, the whole story and the whole thing is somehow, but that thing alone is a clause. Even though Sef say only one forgive, hey, Oduduwa nation they not go agree. Forces wey be say they stand between this thing not be here. So why not Queen Naomi just to move on with her life? Now all these things wey be say they happen. Palace come, they write S Oni, S Olori, S Queen. If they want press one via address Queen Naomi, the S wife of Ooni of Ife, when he gets matter with all those stampede matter, everything. So that is why me I don't want talk. My own be say Queen Naomi is not pregnant. Queen Naomi is not pregnant. So those of una maybe say una dey carry gist. Where Ooni of Ife passed, where two of them take discuss that one. She's not pregnant too. And hey God, I don't know. It's not always good for somebody to take some kind of decision where you are angry. When you dey vex, you take some kind of decision. When that annoyance don't come out, you go come clear for your eyes, say, you don't really F up. You don't really strip yourself of the glory. You don't really F up. So that's all the matter just be. Those of una wey say come, they call me, say, me, I don't switch to Ifa wife. Ifa no get wife for that palace. The wives where dem dey that palace belongs to Ooni of Ife. Mariam, Ronke, Tope, Queen Ashley, Queen Toby, and Elizabeth. 6 of them. They are the bona fide wife of Ooni of Ife. The Ojaja the second. They are not Ifa wife. They are the Ooni of Ife's wife. And if you people call them Ifa wives, that means you people are insulting Ooni of Ife, thereby insulting the throne of the of Oduduwa. So the reason why me they took part for this matter, because una they ask of where is Maureen. Could it be that Maureen is the one leaking this thing? What I leak? Which secret when I leak? What be the secret? Which secret when this I leak? I bet I'm gonna pack for one corner. So for our information, those of una so that they call my name when they ask of where Maureen dey. Maureen dey can't be. Maureen stand for truth and nothing but the truth. If my truth, you don't like my truth, you can go ahead and still they watch people where we say that they lie. Where they lie until when we say them one day when we say Ooni of Ife will come arrest all of una when they taking wife there, then they lie that time. But if no be say una no get sense, those bloggers where we say them they use the queen, then they lie. They don't get that boldness. If no be say na lie, then they talk. But they come and call their name. They give all of their name. They say Olori Mariam and Igbi. Ashley, I get one name where they call Ashley, I don't even know. Different name where we say they call all of them. If you be say una know say wait una they talk, una mouth strong, make una mention their name, make una call them. Whether Ooni of Ife no go come pick una go lost una inside kirikiri. Una go dey lie for Ooni of Ife. But I respect the king. Respect the king and respect his wives then. That is just what I'm trying to say. Respect them. And if una dey lie for Queen Naomi head, if Queen Naomi no want to make a name this thing, make it sometime when they don't too lie, make them debunk her. Make she come debunk her. And so they talk say whether wetin do that Nikawo. Make una stop to the use that pikin name, they lie. Make una stop am. It's not good. Make una like, make una share this video. Una have a nice day. Now so I posted Ashley video yesterday about how she shower love to Ooni of Ife everything. So people come and say, Bori, you are working for somebody. Now sabi that one concern una. Una have a nice day. Bye.